All right. So this was our example from last time, and I need to show you something because there are two ways of writing your answer. All right. So our answer was all of this stuff up here. If I can get it to right, there we go. Our answer was all of that stuff up there: 3x squared minus 10x plus 21, remainder negative 50. Now, the second way of writing your answer is almost the same. All right, you've still got the 3x squared minus 10x plus 21 part, but instead of putting remainder negative 50, you would write this. You would write plus negative 50 over whatever your divisor was, the x plus 2. Okay, so you're going to see both formats whenever you go to do your assignments. So this could be your answer, the remainder negative 50, or this could be your answer. At the tail end, they would put plus negative 50 over x minus 2. Or they could just say minus 50 over x plus 2. Okay. All right, on to our next example. Ooh, they zoomed out on me way out there. There we go. So we've got 2x minus 5 dividing into this cubic polynomial. All right, let's get started. So we want to ask, how many times does 2x go into 4x cubed? Or you could say 2x times what will give you 4x to the third power? Well, that is 2x squared, right? 2x squared. Now, 2x squared gets times by this. So 2x squared times 2x is 4x to the third power. And 2x squared times negative 5 is negative 10x squared. Okay? And then we will subtract the black one from the blue one, or the black one and the blue one. So 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. Negative 4x squared minus negative 10x squared. Well, remember that changes to addition. So negative 4x squared plus 10x squared gives us 6x squared minus 23x plus 20. Then we'll repeat the process. Okay. 2x times what will give us 6x squared? That's going to be 3x. So we'll have a plus 3x. All right, now we'll be doing 3x times this whole thing. Okay. So 3x times 2x is going to give us 6x squared. And 3x times negative 5 will give us negative 15x. All right. Then we'll subtract that. 6x squared minus 6x squared cancels at 0. And then negative 23x minus negative 15x. I got to write that out. That's negative 23x plus 15x is what that turns into, which is going to be negative 8x. All right, and then we'll bring down our 20. That's going to be plus 20. And start the process over. Let me erase some stuff here. Okay, all right. And I'll erase that up there. Okay, let's change it to brown. All right, now we're going to be doing 2x times what will give us negative 8x. Well, that's going to be negative 4. All right, so now negative 4 times this binomial. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And negative 4 times negative 5 gives us positive 20. Now you'll see when you subtract these, everything cancels. Negative 8x minus negative 8x, well, that's 0. And 20 minus 20 is 0. So we have no remainder on this. So our final answer would just be this right there. Now, when there's no remainder, that's a special thing, and you need to take note of this, all right? Whenever you were dividing in, I don't know, 5th grade or whatever, if you got 120 divided by 3, and that ended up giving you 40, what this tells you is that 40 and 3 are both factors of 120, right? Because there's no remainder. So what this means is that 2x plus 5 is a factor of 4x cubed minus 4x squared minus 23x plus 20. And it also means that our quotient, 2x squared plus 3x minus 4, that whole thing is also a factor of this. So when you get a remainder of 0, that means you have factors. This is a factor, and that's a factor of the original, dividend. All right.